Alright, so it seemed like most people were having good luck with VoiceThread, but just in case you weren't, I wanted to pass on a few tips and tricks. It sounds like some people were having issues seeing all the slides they had, and one thing I wanted to make sure you're aware of is that you can view different subgroups of the slide. So those arrows I clicked over on the side here, what that's showing me is different groups I'm subscribed to and the videos within them. So for example, if I go to this group, I see only a subset of the slides I have access to. The easiest way to make sure that you're not doing this is look at the search bar at the top of the screen, and if you see anything in there, just click that X there. And that should show you all the videos you have access to. So hopefully you'll see your videos if you do that. So the next thing I'm going to show you, just in case you didn't have luck with it, was actually posting to VoiceThread. And the first thing you often want to do is upload a new slides. You can do that by showing all the slides, clicking on this button down in the corner here. When you do that, you'll see an option to add a slide, and I'm going to add a picture right here. And I'll choose a picture that I happen to have saved on my desktop. So as the slide's getting uploaded, you can add some details here. I happen to know this is a picture of Hakone, so I'm going to change the title there. And if you want to add a link or something like that to some media that's associated with the slide, you can add it in the link to field there. Okay, so my slide's uploaded. Now I can go ahead and comment on top of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the comment field here and add my voice recording. And so I'm going ahead and I'm recording my voice on top of this. And one thing I can do while I'm recording my voice is I can also navigate between slides. So it's still recording all of this navigation as well. Now you'll note if I stop the recording and then look at what that recording of my voice looks like, I'll see that as the timer moves along, it'll take a few seconds, but what you should see is that you'll see my navigation between slides. Perfect. So it's actually showing you what you did as you did it when you were leaving your voice comment. So that's just a few tips and tricks with VoiceThread. Hopefully you found that helpful, and if you have any further difficulties, please feel free to email me.